everyone, it's Purva here. Welcome to my channel, and let's just start today's video by saying it is very easy to influence me, and I buy stuff from Instagram ads left, right, and center, and end of the day do not use any of them. But today I thought let's just at least get some content out of all of these things. So that is exactly what we're doing today. I'm going to be sharing all of my recent purchases that Instagram and the internet basically has influenced me to shop. Let's just dive right into this video and see everything I got. Let's start the video with one brand that has always been viral with their products or a celebrity, and I am talking about the brand Hyphen. Now, Hyphen has always been super viral because one, they do amazing products. I love Hyphen lip balms and a lot of things from them basically, but this is their newest launch, which looks super exciting. Now this is their ice dunk face mask. Gives you the feeling of icing your face, like when you dunk your face into ice. That is how it feels like. I was really excited about this product because I love icing my face, but the moment I received this product, I read the ingredients it has. Now this has one ingredient that my skin hates. Like, I can't stand aloe vera at all. The moment I apply aloe vera on my face, I break out like crazy. So I wish I could use this, but honestly I am not going to take that risk of just trying a product for the sake and then dealing with acne, because honestly I am done with experimenting stuff on my face. But this makes me super sad that I can't use this. Now, another product from Hyphen that I really like, I thought I should include that in this video as well. Now this is not their new launch, but it has been around for a while. It's their sunscreen. This is so good, like especially during monsoons, when you want that light feather like sunscreen, and we really do not want to miss out on using sunscreens even during monsoons. This is the perfect, like this is I think my third or fourth bottle, and I keep this in my carry purse. Talking of sunscreens, I have another one from Fay Beauty. Now this sunscreen was viral, and I think it was viral for all the good reasons. I have used this once, and it is like the perfect monsoon sunscreen again, and does not leave a white cast, which I think is perfect. Moving on to the interesting brand that has been popping up on all of our Instagram feeds is Clayco. It's a powder face wash. Sounds promising as well, because recently what happened on one of my trips, I spilled the face wash in my skincare bag, and that became a very bad situation. I have another product from the same brand, Clayco. It's a spray sunscreen. I've been looking for a spray sunscreen for a while, because recently when I went to Haridwar, I got tanned like crazy, and I did not apply, like I've never applied sunscreen on my body. So I think that is when this will come handy. This is like another very interesting thing and something new that I've bought for myself. Everybody on the internet seems to be obsessed with skin tints, and recently one of the creator, Nitibha, also came up with her own beauty brand, and she launched this skin tint. Now she claims that there is skincare benefits in this product. The shade I think is going to be a little lighter for me. This product is probably something that I'm sure you've seen on YouTube, on Instagram, literally everywhere. It's DM Beauty lipstick blush pot. You are supposed to apply this with brush. It basically blurs out lines on your lips. I think it works great. The shade is beautiful. Okay, so the next brand is a hair care brand. It's Moxie Beauty. I got the Moxie Beauty Cheat Day Dry Shampoo, and I don't know how this is going to work, but if it works, amazing. I saw so many creators from the US use heart shape or really cute pimple patches, and I was really intrigued because I love cute stuff, and I use pimple patches as well. So I got this one from Gush Beauty. It's so cute. These are these pink pimple patches in heart shape, and it looks adorable. It looks super cute. Now that was everything that I recently bought. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. I will see you next Saturday.